Starting off, this machine is designed for going into thrash blanket. These yellow discs at the front here, they slice through the thrash. They cut the thrash. Following the disc is this leg here. This leg, it's been shaped so as that it opens the soil up. The soil moves to one side and the thrash moves to one side. Whilst that's open, there's product or compost or mill mud coming off the spelt, down the chute, into the opening. Behind there is a fill-in disc, and that fill-in disc is moving the soil back over the opening, and also the thrash is placed over the top of the soil. Following that is the press wheel to give that an original appearance.
Well, the reason why that chute was designed at 4 inches wide is in case we were to get some of this sort of product, and it can find its way down and it goes through all right. As you see, there's a lot of coarse material here from the compost manufacturing. These little bits of cane, now that'll all go through that subsurface applicator without the compost having to be screened, which is an extra cost if you have to screen it.
The trailer part, that's your bulk supply feeding into a metering box on the front of the machine. The metering box is governing the flow rate, and that is supposed to be ground driven to keep it an even rate throughout the paddock. Actually, that design has been fantastically designed. There's no product which clings to the side walls. Everything empties out. Even the mill mud at 60% moisture, it's quite a sticky product, but the design of the wall here being straight down, you've got a V here onto a straight wall feeding your chain, which is on that part there, so all the product cleans out of the bin. The metering box is applying product around about 12 tonnes per hectare, and that depends on your analysis of the product you're using and the nutrient rate you want to apply to the paddock and how you're going to adjust your nutrients to what level you want.